Founding of Volkswagen. On May 28, 1937. Die Gesellschaft zur Vorbereitung des deutschen Volkswagens mbH, company for the preparation of the German people's car. The company that would give rise to Volkswagen was founded in Berlin. The creation of the company was a direct project of Adolf Hitler's Nazi regime and the German Labor Front, DAF. The political and social goal was to motorize the German population, offering a people's car, Volkswagen, that was affordable, robust, and capable of transporting a family of 2 adults and 3 children at 100 km/h. To design the vehicle, Hitler hired Austrian engineer Ferdinand Porsche. The result was the iconic Beetle-shaped car, with an air-cooled rear engine and aerodynamic design, which would become known worldwide as the Beetle, or Fusca. The company's founding in 1937 led to the construction of a huge factory and an entire city for the workers in Lower Saxony, today known as Wolfsburg. The car was financed through a savings scheme where citizens bought weekly stamps to eventually receive their vehicle. However, with the start of World War II in 1939, civilian production was halted and the factory converted to produce military vehicles, such as the Kubelwagen. Practically no citizen who paid received their car during the WWII. It was only after the war, under the supervision of the British Army and the leadership of Major Yvonne Hurst, that the factory was saved from dismantling and Beetle production restarted, transforming Volkswagen from a Nazi propaganda project into a symbol of the German economic miracle and one of the largest automakers in the world. Leave a comment if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel. Every day there's a new video for you.